Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to connect Shopify into Klaviyo. So for those who don't know, Klaviyo is a platform that allows you to create marketing automation such as creating newsletter or subscription. You can manage all of those things through Klaviyo. And when it comes to business, marketing is the key to success, basically. So you will want to use a very good platform in order to help your business growth, and Klaviyo is one of the platforms that will splendidly help your business grow. First thing first, you're going to want to have a Shopify account. Here I have created a new one. I've already set up my online store too. So go ahead and do that first before you continue to watch this video. Create an account on Shopify and then set up your online store. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Klaviyo and then sign up if you haven't got an account yet. But if you have, you can just go and sign in. And if you do choose to sign up, there's going to be some details that you will have to fill in. First, you're going to want to enter your email, your password, your company name, company website, phone numbers, and then how will you be using Klaviyo. Now, just a tips from me, when you're trying to use Klaviyo for a certain business that you have, I recommend you to use the same name as your store. So my Shopify store is called Eyes of the Moon. So I'm going to enter Eyes of the Moon of my company name, and then I'm just going to fill everything else off screen. Alright, once you got your account created, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. And as you can see through Klaviyo, you'll be able to set up campaigns, build some flows, and then you can create some sign up forms. You can build your audience by creating lists and segments, saving some profiles, and then take a look at the growth tools that they have. And you can also take a look at the analytics that they provide and many more. Now we're going to focus on how to connect Klaviyo into our Shopify store. So you're going to go to the bottom left corner of your screen, find the name of your shop, and then you're going to want to find the integration option. Go ahead and click on it. And then since we don't have any integration available for now, we're going to want to click on Add Integration. And as you can see, there is a lot of apps that you can integrate with Klaviyo. There is ActiveBlue, Aftership, Aircall, Amazon RevShift, Amazon S3, etc., etc. So you know that all of the apps are jumbled on this selections of apps right here. But if you would like to take a look for a specific apps, you can just take a look at the categories right here and try to filter it out, or you can also just search for an app that you will want to integrate with Klaviyo. And in our case right now, we want to integrate Shopify into Klaviyo, so go ahead and type in Shopify. Then I'm going to click on the Shopify app, and now I'm going to want to insert the URL of my shop. So here I already have my shop opened. I'm just going to copy the URL, put it right here. Alright, now that we got the store URL pasted into this text box right here, next you'll be able to see this on-site tracking option. So it says here that the Klaviyo app embed will allows you to collect helpful information around browsing activities. When enabled, Klaviyo will begin tracking active on-site event, enables on-site forms, and add any additional tracking features configured below. So what on-site tracking does is basically similar to TikTok Pixels, if you've heard of it. You can take a look at the events that is going on your website. You'll be able to see the amount of people who clicks on your website. You can track on any activities that are happening on your website, and it's going to be very helpful for you to learn more about your customers, take a look at their behavior, and grow your business through those facts. So we're going to come back to this later, but now let's go to the next step, which is syncing data from Shopify. Now you have the options to sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo, and it says here that new sites visitors that subscribe to email marketing through Shopify will be subscribed to your selected Klaviyo list. So you can go ahead and create a list on Klaviyo and then use it as the base for your data sync from Shopify to Klaviyo, but you can just skip it if you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and not tick that. But I do want to sync the profile data and custom properties from Klaviyo to Shopify. So I'm just going to tick this and then make sure that all profile from Klaviyo will be able to sync into my Shopify. And here are just some additional settings that you might want to use. I'm just going to skip them for now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click connect to Shopify. And then once you click on that button, they're going to bring you straight into your Shopify account. And then you're going to want to install the Klaviyo app into our Shopify. Now you can also do it through Shopify by going to the search bars right here. And then let's say you want to type in Klaviyo. And you can just click on the apps and install it through here. Both of them works perfectly fine. I'm just going to continue with this one's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install and wait until it's finished installing. Alright, so next you're going to get this confirmation notification. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on integrate. And now that we got that app installed into our Shopify, we're going to want to setting the on-site tracking. So it says here, in order to modify the on-site tracking, we're going to want to view the Shopify app embed settings. And you can just do that by clicking on this text right here. And it's going to bring us into our website editor. And usually when you go to the website editor, this is the first thing that you will be able to see, the overall view of your website as well as the editing sections on the left side of the screen. And if you would like to setting on your Klaviyo app embed, all you have to do is click on these symbols right here and then make sure that the Klaviyo app is already turned on. Once you do that, go ahead and click on save, and then you're going to want to refresh your setting on Klaviyo. And once it's finally turned on, you will be able to get this green notification that says the Klaviyo app embed is enabled on your Shopify store. And if you'd like to take a look at the tracking of your website, all you have to do is go to analytics, find this metrics option, and then you're going to find this active on site option. Go ahead and click on it. And once you got visitors on your website, you'll be able to see the charts on this page right here. And if you go back to the metrics settings, you can see that you can also keep track on the canceled order and check out started as well as fulfilled order, ordered product, placed order, etc. on your Shopify store. So you can also keep track on most of the thing that is going on your Shopify through your Klaviyo. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect and integrate Klaviyo into your Shopify. It's very easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.